Hello everyone, today we will speak about how to insert data validation in our sheet. We have code number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4, and we have name Ahmed, Mustafa, Mahmoud, Osama. Age 25, 28, 30, 40. Okay, if we want to make drop list here, we will go to data. Okay, and we will choose data validation, and we make data validation, and we will choose setting, and we choose list, and we will determine which we want, if you want this. Okay, and then enter, and can we write title message here, write code isn't right, and we will go to the error alert, and we stop, and we will write wrong entry, we will choose okay. So we have code 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our lesson. We want to thank you